Hi, my name is Cindy Gravelle and I'm the Vice President of Commercial Insurance at Young's Insurance, and today we're going to talk about commercial insurance. The four most common types of commercial insurance break down as auto, which could be individually rated auto as well as fleets, depending on your business. Property, which covers any kind of property, buildings, contractors' equipment, anything that you actually need to insure. Liability, which is your operations, could be professional liability, errors and omissions. And then the last one would be workman's comp, which is usually handled in a different office. The main reason as a small business owner that you need commercial insurance is the liability portion. That's what offers protection for your business, your employees, your premises, and enables you to go about the daily operations of your business with protection. In addition to the main four being property, liability, auto, and workman's comp, business owners really need to consider directors and officers liability if they have a board of directors. Errors and omissions liability, which is critical if you do any prefab work or you do any design work to specifications to make sure that it's done properly. Cyber, if it isn't already on your policy. Terrorism, unfortunately, is something we have to consider these days. Business owners, even hospitality risks, office buildings, it happens everywhere, and it is a coverage that we can get as well. And in addition to that, anything that you can think of equipment-wise related to the business you have, we can find a coverage for it. Your business insurance premium is based on a few things. The first one is revenue. That's what determines your liability premium, no matter what your limit is. Secondly is your total insured value of the buildings that we may be covering on that. The higher the limit, the higher the premium. You add contractors' equipment to that, your computer equipment, all of these things have a rate associated with it that we add onto that policy to build that package for you. We can cover any type of business that is out there, but the common ones are restaurants, sports facilities, we have quite a few wineries, contractors are huge, manufacturers, wholesalers, pretty much anything can be insured on a commercial business policy. If you come to Young's Insurance for commercial insurance, the first thing we want to do is review your insurance portfolio to see the coverages you have, the building limits you have, everything that you have on that policy right now, so we can make sure that it is what it should be. From there, we come out to your business, we have a look around, we spend some time having dialogue with you, your employees, your key personnel, just to see what the needs are. Are we missing anything? Is there something we haven't thought of? That gives you the opportunity to have those conversations with us. From there, once we get an idea of what you should have, we will recommend a lot of things you possibly don't have on your portfolio now, but that's why we're here. So we're going to go through everything, think of every scenario we can possibly think of to make sure that no matter what claim occurs, you will be covered. From there, if you give us the insurance to write, and we'll be very happy if you do, from there we make sure that every year on renewal we go over it all again. We make sure our account executives come out and meet with you. We want to make sure the business is growing. Are you adding operations? Have you got new equipment? What's changed? And make sure that it's an ongoing dialogue and that we're always on top of your business to make sure that it's covered properly.